We were able to start this facility, Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions, with the highest level of technology, with a commitment to meeting the customer demands, whatever they were. We had that culture of commitment, the culture of quality, and the culture of winning from the beginning.
Here at Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions, we make very complex aluminum, stainless steel, titanium components for the aerospace, medical, and defense industry. We do a lot of military components for the soldiers out in the field, and so we take on a great deal of pride in that and knowing that what we do affects their ability in the battlefield.
We make products that have to be reliable no matter what the environment, no matter what the existing situation is. Failure is not an option. NCDD is a very innovative program that allows companies to access resources that they otherwise wouldn't be able to either afford or find.
You cannot continue to operate in manufacturing now without changes and developments. And so North Carolina Defense Industry Diversification Initiative, what we do on a daily basis is go out and train and develop and engage companies across the state.
It was a good opportunity for us to kind of get a reflection from an outside educational facility like NC State to tell us what they thought of the things, our strengths, our weaknesses, opportunities, things of that nature, and help us grow as a company.
We applied for the grant because we realized that training and education is the basis of every program that we have wanted to be involved with.
With our ability to get to know these companies more and get in there and understand how they're doing things, we will be able to ensure that they actually have access to developing technology.
The greatest impact for our company has been the ability to continue to increase the number of industries that we affect. 2021 will bring us the opportunity to bring on medical customers. We should accomplish our ISO 13485, and we would not have done that without the grant. Roush Yates has been able to raise the needle and get involved in other industries. So our business will grow again as a result.